Viewers, today I'm going to guide you how to add co-host on VRBO. So let's get started. First, sharing account access. For this, log into your VRBO account and go to your dashboard and contact VRBO support. Ask them to add your co-host as an emergency contact so they can receive verification codes and assist with guest communication. Then number 2, give your co-host your login credentials. Share your email and password so they can sign in and help manage messages, bookings, calendars, and updates. Option number 3, use a property management tool. If you do not want to share your VRBO password, you can use a PMS like iGMS, Hospitable, Guesty, or Smoobu. These platforms let you add your co-host with their own login, set permissions, manage guest messages, update the calendar and pricing, and also handle automation and tasks. It is the most recommendable method and safest and most organized way to work with a co-host on VRBO. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.